Alright, I'm sneaking up on my cat today. Let's see how it works out. What are you doing, huh? You're so funny. Spying on me while I'm working on my projects. Fight time. Round two. Ow. I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Just, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ow! Please, give me a kiss, please. Okay, I don't want to get my head bit again, so I'm just gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. You're my friend. You're my friend. Remember who you are? My friend. Yeah, you are. I live with you. Don't get mad. Here, look. Look what I got for you. Yeah, you like that. You forgive me? No? Okay. Put that right there. Look what I got for you. I got some air for you. Yeah, you like air. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Forgive me? Forgive me? Okay. Ah! Forgive me? Want me to pet you? No? Okay. How about this? How about I get this paper. You like that? You like that? No, I didn't think so. How about this? I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. And you're gonna like it. I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. Oh, goodness gracious. It's like a fighting machine. What about this? How are you gonna react to this? Oh, you're scared of this. This is your worst fear. Oh yeah, bitch slap that. Round 3 with this. Oh, I won that one. What you gonna do? Give me a kiss. Ow. Come on, give me a kiss. Come here. I'm gonna get you now. Come here. We're friends. Look at us. We're so happy together. We're friends. Good girl. Ow, God.